Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing another color for my weekly nail polish of the week video series. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it and of course welcome you with open arms to my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's start off with a base. I'm going in with the Repair and Care base coat by Essence Cosmetics. This one is I think below €2 or at least around €2 a bottle. It is vegan, it's cruelty free and it's just really easy to get by as well. You can get them at like drugstores, you can get them online. If you're not sure where to get your Essence Cosmetics fix, let's just call it as it is, you can definitely ask them at Instagram, wherever you can find Essence Cosmetics near you. But yeah, I am going to apply 2 coats of this base coat and of course applying the first coat first, like first things first, you know. Apply the first coat and make sure that you are working on clean nails. So remove your previous manicure, nail polish, glitter, whatever you have been using, or just clean the surface of the nail plate with a little bit of nail polish remover or acetone to make sure there isn't any dust or dirt or debris left on your nail plate. While doing so, you actually make sure that you are working, of course, sanitary, but also making sure that your manicure will last a longer period of time because you are working on a clean and dust-free surface. But yeah, I really like this base coat, and the reason why I am doubling up my base coat today is because the color that I chose for this week's nail polish of the week video is actually a red color, and reds tend to stain nails pretty badly. And just to make sure that I won't get any stains or spots or discoloration or anything like that, because I have worn this color or chose to apply this color, I am playing safe with 2 coats. Of course, if you have a really good base coat that prevents any staining whatsoever, definitely just go for 1 coat, but because I wasn't sure if this base coat would give me like full security, I just doubled it up. But the color that I am going to use is by OPI. This one is called I'm Really an Actress. It is actually from the Spring 2021 Hollywood collection, which I have done a full-on swatch and review video on. That collection contains, I think it was 12 colors. I got them at one of my local web stores that is located here in the Netherlands as well, and you can pretty much get them everywhere online. Of course, prices definitely vary a lot depending where you live. Here in the Netherlands, OPI is quite expensive. You get a bottle for like 15 towards 18 euros a bottle, which is really pricey in my opinion. But of course, OPI is a salon brand, so the prices are quite high here in the Netherlands for salon brands like that. But this color, you guys, it is so gorgeous. I am in love with it. Usually I don't tend to go for reddish kind of polishes, and for some reason my camera didn't even pick it up as red as it actually is. I do feel like the second coat comes a lot more closer to what this polish actually looks like in real life. I don't know what was going on. Maybe it was like my lighting, because I do record with 2 LED like panels to the sides, and I have a big, like a really big powerful LED light from the top as well. So maybe the lighting kind of made it look pinkish for my camera. I don't know. I haven't changed any of my settings so far, but yeah, in real life it definitely is a red color with a little bit of a pink undertone to it. So maybe it's just that it has a pink undertone and my camera was like, ooh, let's just say this is a pink one. I don't know. But other than that, it is a gorgeous color. It has such a beautiful glittery sparkle going on in there, and like a golden shimmery sheen as well in some angles, and lighting, of course. It is a gorgeous tone, and I was pretty impressed with this first coat as well. And because there is so much shimmer and glitter going on in this polish, it actually dries really fast too. Usually I wait about like 3 to 5 minutes, sometimes even longer, before a nail polish layer is completely dry and I go in with the next layer. But for this polish, I think it was like almost fully dry on the thumb just when I finished applying the first coat to my pinky. So yeah, that was pretty fast, just a couple of minutes and you're good to go. Of course, if you are applying a thicker coat than I have just applied in the video right here, wait a little longer before you go in with an like second coat or maybe your top coat already. But that first coat was quite opaque. I was pretty impressed because I didn't expect that to happen, since it is more of like a jelly formulated base with a lot of glitter and sparkle going on in there. So yeah, I was pretty impressed, and it's just a gorgeous color. As I mentioned, I don't really tend to like grab my red polishes a lot, but I do think this is one of those colors that is a lot of fun to wear all year round, and of course especially during the holiday season in December. I think this will be a color that we will all be grabbing a lot more during that time of year, but it is quite a fun color for spring summer as well. It is bright, it is sparkly, it's glittery, and pretty easy to remove as well. I didn't really have a lot of issues when I wore this polish for like 2-3 days and I switched it up after. I just soaked it off with some cotton rounds, a little bit of non-acetone nail polish remover, and some of those plastic nail soaker clips. I think I left it on for 5 minutes and it was really easy to remove, and I did have a little bit of glitter still stuck to like the cuticle area and the skin next to the nails, but it was quite easy to remove that as well with just an extra cotton round and a little bit of remover. So I don't feel like there is a lot of glitter sticking like after you have removed it, which some other glitter polishes definitely do. But after you have applied your final layer of polish, of course, if you have grabbed your own nail supplies and painting your nails together with me, definitely make sure that you wait a good amount of minutes before going with your top coat, like I'm going to do right now. So for a top coat, I'm actually using one by Essence Cosmetics as well. It is definitely one of my favorite brands, not only for their bases and top coats, but also for their colored polishes, because I do a lot of nail polish of the week videos about Essence Cosmetics Shine Last and Go polishes, and I tend to use them a lot for nail art as well, because the pigmentation is just great. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are pretty inexpensive too. But this top coat, or at least I'm using it as a top coat, it is actually the all-in-one base and top coat, so you can definitely use it as a base as well. I didn't do so for this particular video because of the staining issues that I might have with the red, and I am not quite sure if this base and top coat is really stain proof if I use it as a base coat. But other than that, it gives a nice glossy finish to the nail, just a nice even surface. It definitely levels it out. Because this is such a glittery, shimmery polish, I didn't feel like it was super gritty or anything, but definitely applying that final layer of top coat made it perfectly smooth. I didn't feel like super gritty surface or anything like that afterwards, so that is a big plus. But yeah, that was my entire new nail polish of the week video already. Definitely let me know what you think about this color. As I mentioned, it is a lot more red in real life, but it is a gorgeous color nonetheless. But yeah, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.